What is up, guys? It's Morgan back here again. I'm going to show y'all how to make a Lamborghini sound with a can. You can do it with any can. Just bend the middle in like this. And you can either go brrrr or I just wanted to show y'all this because I learned this off of YouTube. So like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment down below if you like this video, and comment that if you want to do this. Comment down below that show me how to. But okay, I'll get a different can and just do it. I'll show y'all how. So I will talk to y'all in about tomorrow. I will do another video. Well, peace.